Alright guys, I'm working on Nissan Maxima 2005 3.5 liter V6 front wheel drive. So it is there's not too many videos about well, what I'm doing today is going to change out the thermostat for this Maxima. And yes, it is kind of difficult to work on in this one, but it's not the hard than you think. So I know there's one for that one video for abuse VQ. Love watching that guy's video a lot. So at first it looks intimidating, but it's not. So the only thing you gotta actually have is just gonna be just a small 1/4 inch. Is to this side right here. It's easy. Bottom's easy also. I would get the bottom bolt going from the bottom, work your way up. But when you're laying down, when you look up, you can work on it like that. It's easier when you're under the car. It's a lot easier like that. And the only challenging one is gonna be this one, because there's no room, because the ratchets are actually hidden this way. So what you do is make sure you have a 1/4 inch, a 1/4 inch, 10-inch millimeter. They're all going to be 10 millimeters, 1/4 inch. So they're going to be long bolt. One of them was strippers from some odd reason on this hard side to get to. So that's why I could not take it off. So I used an extractor kit for that. If you're having a hard time taking off like the same side, just use it and just tap it within like a wrench or something. So, but get to the video. Give me 1 second. Okay. Okay. Let's see. This one's super easy to get to. When you're inside the car, they're gonna be this line that goes on top of the thermostat, and it's in the way when you go through the bolt. What I did was just put, I think, 3-inch, 1/4 inch extension, 10 millimeter socket. This is 3/8. I used a 3/8 for this one. You can use a 1/4 inch too. So just use 3/8 so you can have a little bit more pores. You go under there when the thermostat is placed before you take it off. I already have it off, but before I had it off, I went through like this. I went under the 1/4 inch, that 3/8, then a 10-inch millimeter, then broke that loose. And yeah, you can just use it by hand. And the hard part, use the rest of the 3/8. Okay. It's not that hard than you expected. It's not harder than my 300ZX. Okay. When you have your 10 millimeter socket with a 1/4 inch, it's gonna be super hard. Okay. Okay. Another problem lies for this thermostat. My bad, keep going back and forth. The only problem lies on this bolt. What I'm talking about. It is hard to work. It is hard to get through it, but it is possible to get through. So, because the 3/8 would be in the way. If you have it in, you can't. It's in the way. So, and the 1/4 inch barely gets enough space to it. Okay. Let me show you how I did it. It was actually not that hard. But of course, so before you do those, let's see. Okay, and that's it. That's it. Should be placed. Make sure it's an in straight, not at a curve or anything. The bolt right there. Then you should have barely enough space to push this out. Just make sure you're holding on to it, then you bust that loose. Barely get enough leeway right here because the 3/8 is too big, so 1/4 inch with 10mm, you will get it through. So if you want to change up the thermostat, of course. Okay, that bottom one you can work it from right here. May seem far, but it's not. That right there is the last bolt for it. You can go up and under right here. Right there. Just break that sucker loose right there. That's pretty much it. You don't need any of this extra else too either. I'm doing a different thing right now for the alternator. But yeah, that's how you do it. The top one, you can do it from the top. Also the run from the top right, you can do from the top left. Like I said, a 1/4 inch where I was showing to you at that little corner next to the mortar mount. That's the little space right there I was talking about. And for the bottom, you can work from the top, from the bottom, but it is a lot harder because you can't see. So I think working from the bottom is a lot easier because you can actually see it from here with the 1/4 inch. So and that should be it. It's not that challenging, you might think. So this also works for the whatever V6 it comes with in any of the VQs, like the Maxima, Ultima. Same thing goes with the 350Z, any of them that contains the VQ engine, even the part of the Quest 2. So this is how you took it. That's how I would do this in the challenge. So yeah, make sure you change out all the cooling too in the process, so it's just be a lot easier for you. So that should be it, guys. I can see that.